Comfort today is making you incompetence. This is not to be offensive, but you and I know that before the advent of modern technological devices or modern technological development, we usually do things by ourselves, things that we know we need. Of course, modern technology makes life very easy, but you are relying on modern technology too much than you should. Instead of preparing whole, natural, nutritious meals by yourself, you feel it's easier for you to order for fast food. Instead of going out there to approach a potential partner and start building a meaningful relationship, you feel it's very easy to go onto dating apps and start talking to someone. Maybe he or she will like you. Instead of building meaningful conversations through meaningful relationships with people around you, you prefer to stay in your bedroom and chat on social media. Instead of building a real life progress in the real world, you feel you can level up in video games and build status. Instead of making real life things by your efforts, building your potential, you feel that it's very easy to do these things using technology. Yes, technology is good. It makes life easy. But you have to be intentional about your use of these modern technological devices. You don't feel the need to go out there and make friends anymore because you have social media. You have content. The content machine is in your hands. So instead of actually being social, going for a walk, mingling with people, spending time with your loved ones, you feel entertainment can be gotten from your phone. Nowadays, we don't meditate anymore. We don't sit calm and still. We don't feel our stillness and presence anymore because we feel the need to always be on your phone, watching Netflix, playing video games, listening to music, taking substances, going to nightclubs, doing all sorts of degenerate things, all in the name of enjoyment. And that is why our brain is never restful. This modern technological development brings things to us very easy, where we don't feel the need to do anything any longer because everything is now easy. You need to start doing things intentionally. You need to start doing things meaningfully so that you can enjoy that natural state of enjoyment away from modern technological devices. You need to start doing things naturally. Go out for a walk, journal, write how you feel during the day, write the things that you need to work on. Away from modern devices. In fact, take 2 hours or more of a break from technological devices in a day. Don't seek entertainment. Don't seek stimulation. Just sit by yourself. Be introspective. And now see all the thoughts that will be coming to you. That presence, that boredom, that stillness that you are always avoiding, you need to start embracing it now to become a more mindful and present human being. And maybe you discover your purpose in life instead of masking it with entertainment and fun. That boredom, that stillness that you are always running away from because you don't like the discomfort. To become an intentional and purposeful human being, you need to start embracing stillness away from stimulation. And that is how to discover your real self. That is how to enjoy nature. That is how to enjoy your real life. When there is no pleasure, there is no stimulation, there is no constant entertainment from screens and modern technological devices, then you are all by yourself. You don't have an option than to start going out more to meet people. You don't have an option than to start cleaning your environment. You don't have an option than to start having conversation in real life because there is nothing to entertain you. And of course, you come back to your natural, wholesome human states. That is how to be a modern human being that It's not reliant on modern technology. I will see you in the next one.